pigeon. This is the Sri Lankan endemic bird. His name is wood pigeon. Very rare to see in this bird. In Allah Yoga Hub team we found this bird in the jungle.